to get rid of something, we just right click and clear, so we don't need that piece. And check out our video. Okay, now if we want to edit it, say we want to start from here. Not there, just right here as we enter. So we just pull it down. Could also cut off that piece, but pulling it down is fine. So now we're in, and we're looking around, taking a look. And so far, so good. We'll keep this piece. Okay, so there we found something. Let's say we want it to be here. I'll cut it here. And we're gonna back out. Say we don't need this, because we end up here. And we don't need to really go back. So from here, let's see, here, we can kind of just cut this and just ripple delete that part. So that way, as we're looking here, there, really don't need that smash. Now, one of the things we can do to make it a bit smooth is just add a transition. Now we head over here to our video transition, and we're just gonna add a basic transition. It's just a dissolve. That way it's just more smooth. There you go. So it's not as abrupt. All right, so let's see. We'll continue looking around. Okay, take a look. Okay, so far so good. We'll walk down and check out the rest of the apartment. So far so good. Okay, so far so good. All right, check out the room. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. This part is good so far. Looking for areas we can edit. Okay, check out the other room. And so far, good. Okay, so. And here we are at the end. And so far, the video looks good. So we don't have to cut anymore. We'll just end it off here at the end. This is the bathroom we're looking at, and what we'll do is at the bathroom we'll just add, just add an opacity so it just comes out smooth, and we'll do the same thing with the sound, so the walking sound just ends smooth and not abruptly. And there we go. We are done.
You watching NoGlowCal.com. Yeah.